Dear students, good evening. Now we have to discuss about maxima and minima. This is the very important problem in calculus. This problem is asked in part C for 10 marks. You have to refer the page number 162 in the book Business Mathematics written by Dr. M. Ponin Selvi. The following are the steps. First step, you have to find dy dx, derivative of the given function. Then second step, again find the derivative for the dy dx, that is d squared y dx squared. Then third step, assigning the value to the dy dx, find the values of x. So you got the values of x, two values. Then fourth step, put x in the value of d squared y dx squared to find the which value is the gives the maximum value, which value gives the minimum value. If you apply the value of x in d squared y dx squared, if you get the negative answer, that is less than 0, that value is maximum. Remember that, negative the maximum, inverse relationship. Then if you get the greater than value, that is positive value, the value is maximum. Then apply the value of x in the given function, that is y is equal to the equation. Then come to the problem, x cube minus 3x squared minus 9. Find the maximum and minimum values. So this is the given function. How to find dy dx? Dy dx for y, for this you have to take the derivative. You got the answer 3x squared minus 6x. Then find the next again derivative for this function. This is called first order of derivative. This is called second order of derivative. So you got the answer, that is 3 dx squared dx minus 6 dx dx. So you got the answer 6x minus 6. Then next step, you have to find which is the maximum and minimum value. For this we have to give dy dx is equal to 0. So 3x squared minus 6x is equal to 0. From this 3x is the common, so we have to take out 3x. So within bracket you got x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. You got two values. Apply the value of x in d squared y dx squared to find out the which is the maximum value, which is the minimum value. If x is equal to 0, you got the answer as negative. So minus 6 negative. So this is less than 0. So the value is maximum. Then you have to apply the value of x in given function, that is y is equal to x cube minus 3x squared minus 9. So you got the answer as minus 9. Then come to the next, x is equal to 2. You got the value as 6, that is positive. So d squared y dx squared is greater than 0. So the function has a minimum value. Now you have to apply the value of x to the x cube minus 3x squared minus 9. So you got the value of minus 13. Write the answer as maximum value is minus 9, minimum value is minus 13. By this way, you have to do this problem as yourself. In this problem, you got the answer as minimum value is minus 13, maximum value is 14. Thank you, students.